Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the incredible benefits of being an authorized user on someone else's credit score. Are you someone who's looking to build their credit score or just wants to take advantage of some great perks? If so, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the benefits, let's quickly discuss what it means to be an authorized user. An authorized user is someone who has permission to use someone else's credit account. As an authorized user, you can make purchases using the credit account and the payment responsibility lies with the primary account holder. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Let's get started. Improve your credit score. The first and most significant advantage of being an authorized user on someone else's credit score is that it can help improve your own credit score. When you're an authorized user, the credit history of the primary account holder is also reflected on your credit report. This means that if the primary account holder has a good credit history, it will positively impact your credit score. The benefit of this is that you'll be able to establish a positive credit history quickly and easily, which is essential when it comes to getting approved for loans, credit cards, and even rentals. Access to credit. Another significant advantage of being an authorized user is that you can gain access to credit that you may not have been able to get on your own. For example, if the primary account holder has a credit card with a high credit limit, you can use that card to make purchases and build your credit score. Additionally, if you don't have a credit history or your credit score is low, being an authorized user can be a great way to start building your credit score. Build credit history faster. When you're trying to build your credit score, it can take years to establish a solid credit history. By being an authorized user, you can build credit history faster by piggybacking on someone else's credit history. This can help you get approved for loans and credit cards faster than you would have been able to on your own. Additionally, if you're looking to buy a house or a car, having a good credit history can be very helpful in securing financing. Lower interest rates. As an authorized user, you may also be eligible for lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. This is because the primary account holder's credit history can help to establish your creditworthiness. If the primary account holder has a good credit score and a history of responsible credit use, lenders may be more willing to offer you lower interest rates. Access to credit cards with high limits. Another advantage of being an authorized user is that you may have access to credit cards with high limits. This can be especially useful if you need to make a large purchase, such as a down payment on a house or a car. Since the credit limit is typically shared between the primary account holder and the authorized user, you may have access to more credit than you would if you applied for a credit card on your own. No credit check required. When you apply for a credit card or loan, the lender will typically check your credit score. If you don't have a credit history or your credit score is low, you may not qualify for credit. However, when you're an authorized user, you don't need to undergo a credit check. This means that you can gain access to credit even if you don't have a credit history or your credit score is low. Learn good financial habits. When you're an authorized user, you can learn good financial habits from the primary account holder. You can observe how they use credit responsibly and learn from their mistakes. This can help you develop good financial habits that will benefit you for the rest of your life. No risk of debt. When you're an authorized user, you're not legally responsible for any debt incurred on the account. If the primary account holder racks up a large amount of debt on the account, you won't be responsible for paying it back. This can be a great way to use credit without taking on any financial risk. Access to rewards and perks. Many credit cards come with rewards and perks, such as cashback or travel points. As an authorized user, you can also take advantage of these rewards and perks. This means that you can earn cashback or travel points on purchases that you make using the credit account. This is a great way to save money or earn rewards on purchases that you would be making anyway. No responsibility for payments. As an authorized user, you're not responsible for making payments on the account. This means that if the primary account holder misses a payment or defaults on the account, it won't affect your credit score. This can be a significant relief for those who are trying to build their credit score but don't want to take on any financial responsibility. Flexibility. As an authorized user, you can choose how much or how little you use the credit account. This gives you the flexibility to use the account when you need it, and to avoid using it when you don't. This can be especially useful for people who are trying to build credit slowly or who only need credit for specific purposes, such as buying a car or a house. Those are the 11 incredible benefits of being an authorized user on someone else's credit score. While there are many advantages to being an authorized user, it's important to choose the right primary account holder. You want to make sure that they have a good credit history and use credit responsibly. It's also important to remember that being an authorized user isn't a guaranteed way to improve your credit score. You should still focus on paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, and monitoring your credit report for errors. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. See you in the next one.